Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be telling you every details on how to achieve your French curls. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. To make your French curls, after combing your attachment or brushing it smoothly to detangle it, you take your Brazilian rollers and start wrapping the attachment on the rollers, okay, just like the way I'm doing it right now. You keep wrapping it all through from beginning to the end of the rollers, okay, just like this. If along the way you find out that the attachment is kind of tangled, you brush it. You just use your take comb to smoothen it, okay? Then you keep wrapping until you get to the end of the rollers, just like this. That is just it for the first method, okay? Now I'm going to show you the second method of wrapping it. On the first method, you notice that I wrap it all through without any breaking in the middle. But on this second method, there's going to be some breaking in the middle, okay? Now I'm holding it just like the first one, and I'm going to hold it tight. I'm going to hold it tight so that when I'm wrapping it, it won't be pulling out, okay? Now you see what I'm doing. I'm smoothing it as I'm going, okay? Then I wrap as if I'm flipping it, okay? Then I smooth it again. You can see that. Then I wrap, I smooth, I wrap again, I smooth, just like that. That is how I'm going to do this one until I get to the ending. This video has a very vital information on how to handle your coils. What you should do before the coils and after the coils in order to retain the coils and maintain it, okay? So it's important to watch this video to the end and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Alright, before I forget, I would like to tell you guys that I first of all dip this attachment in a hot water, okay? After I finish picking it, I comb it, detangle it very well, then I dip everything in a hot water, okay? And when you want to dip them in a hot water, you don't dip them at once. You start from tips to the ending, and that way it won't tangle or to start giving you wahala to comb or to smoothen it. Alright, okay, so I first of all dip it in a hot water, dip all of them in a hot water and allow it to dry before I start rolling it, okay? Alright, right now you can see that this thing I'm doing, it has removed simply because I did not hold the mat, okay? So I'm using my bobby pin to hold it now. But if you have a rubber ring you can use to hold the mat, or a clip you can use to hold the mat after wrapping it on the rollers, it's good. Or else it will pull out. It might even pull out before you put it in the hot water, or it might loose the moment hot water touch it. Okay, just like this one. You can see that this one have already loose. Okay, so I'm going to wrap it again, and after that I will use my bobby pin to hold the tips. That's the ending where the wrapping stopped. Okay, okay, now I found one of the ribbon, so that's what I used to tie it. All right, so now I'm going to dip them in a hot water. I have already boiled my hot water, so I'm pouring this inside the bucket. Now I'm going to add my conditioner. You can use any choice of your conditioner. Okay, then I'm putting them inside the hot water. After putting them in the hot water, I will allow them to sit in there for about 5 minutes before bringing them out. Now I've brought them out from the hot water, and I use my towel to dry them a bit. Now this is another important area. When you want to remove it from the rollers, don't pull it. Don't pull it like this. If you pull it like this, you are going to scatter the coils you have already suffered to roll. You are going to scatter the coils. You are going to spoil it. Okay, so you have to find the tips where the rolling ended. Okay, you need to find it and lose it from there. Okay, you can see how this one is looking like already. So if you pull it, you will scatter it. You will spoil your coils. Okay, now watch me do the next one. You see how I'm going to unwrap the coils. I'm unwrapping it from the ending of the coils, from the ending of the rolling, where I stopped the rolling, where the rolling stopped. That's where I unwrap it from. You can see how beautiful this one is looking already. Two of them has formed two different coils. Their coils are not the same again. They are not. One is finer than one. Two of them are not the same coils. Okay, the other one is a bit scattered, while this other one is finer. So this is the process you need to take when you want to make your own French coils. Okay, in our next video I am going to be talking about how to use it. Okay, when you want to use it for your braiding, I'll be telling you the tips you need to take when using it in order to retain the coils. All right.